Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start with math, numbers or current affairs? Which one first?
Sir, current affairs.
Current affairs. Yes. Visible?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
BrahMos missile.
Sir, BrahMos missile, sir.
A co-engineer with Russia.
What do you know about BrahMos missile? This is a missile, cruise missile. What do you know about BrahMos missile?
Indian Russia.
It's an Indian-Russian missile.
Excellent.
It is
So
named
this-
after Brahmaputra.
Built by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir.
Okay, so this is a joint venture, a collaboration between India and
Russia.
Russia. It is named as BrahMos. BRAH stands for the river Brahmaputra and MOS stands for the Moscow River in Russia. Also, there is a city called Moscow. What is the capital of Russia?
Moscow, sir.
Moscow.
Who is the head of Russia?
Vladimir Putin.
Vladimir Putin.
Vladimir Putin. Putin is the head of Russia. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Who is the defense minister of India?
Rajnath Singh.
So,
Sir, Rajnath Singh.
right. So this is the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. Now production facility started recently. Not recently means only 2 days back. May 11, 2025 at Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow, sir.
Lucknow.
Excellent, Lucknow. Okay. Capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. This is with an investment of 300 crores. Okay. So BrahMos missile. So BrahMos missiles enhancing India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing amid growing regional security concerns. And very important is we are also exporting BrahMos. Any idea to which country?
Sir, Philippines.
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 Maybe.
Yes.
Thailand.
First country, Philippines. Okay, right. So the BrahMos missile is a supersonic cruise missile. It is developed by BrahMos Aerospace. It is India and Russia. JV. JV stands for what? What do you mean by JV? JV Nana.
Joint venture.
Sir.
Joint venture. Joint venture. Joint venture, na, just like what? Partnership. Have you heard about partnership?
Yes, sir. Between India and Russia.
Have you heard about partnership shops? Partnership company?
Yes, sir.
If single person starts a company, it is called sole proprietor. Sometimes 2 or more person join and start a business. It is called what? It is called
Partnership.
partnership firm. But this is between 2 countries. Therefore, we call this as a joint venture. Name any joint venture between 2 companies. 2 companies together produce goods, products. Any idea?
Tata and Jaguar.
Tata and Jaguar, right? Previously, Maruti and Suzuki. Maruti Indian company, Suzuki.
Sir, Nissan
Japan
and
company.
Renault.
Hero and Honda.
Huh?
Sir,
Hero
Nissan and
Honda.
Renault. Sir, Nissan and Renault.
Everyone is aware of what? Mostly automobile sector. Okay, automobile sectors, right? And its speed is 2.8 Mach. Every word is very important. You are supposed to know. What do you mean by Mach? What is MAC stands for?
Sir,
2.8 means 2.8 times the speed of sound.
MACH stands for the Mach means the speed of sound. I told you in the last class this about the speed of sound. Can anyone tell me what is the speed of sound?
Sir, 767 miles per hour.
No. It is double, more than double. What is the speed of sound without referring anything? Without referring your note.
3,000 miles per hour.
330 meters per
3,000.
second.
No, you are not revising the basic things. It is not 3,000. Yeah, refer note and tell me. Refer note and tell me now.
330.
Meters per second, sir.
43 meters per
300 meters
second.
per second.
Yes, the speed 1 Mach is equal to 330 meter per second. 330 meter per second.
330 meters
Per
per second.
second, sir.
So it is speed of this cruise missile. BrahMos is around 2.8, or you can say that around 3. Then How many
Sir,
meters?
2.8 times the speed of sound, sir.
How many meters per second? Approximately. Approximately, tell me. Fast.
Sir, around
990.
900 and
90.
therefore I said approximately means what? 1000 meter per second. 1000 means what? 1 kilometer per second. So per second, its speed is 1 kilometer. Okay, so assume that per second its speed is 1 kilometer. So assume that the target is 120 kilometer. So how long it will take?
120 seconds.
1
20
minute,
seconds is how many
20
minutes?
seconds.
Wrong. What is 120 seconds?
Excuse me, sir. What's the question?
What is 120 seconds?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, sir.
2 minutes. See, please note that the target. I'll repeat the question. The target is 120 kilometer away. How long the BrahMos will take to hit the target?
2 minutes, sir.
Huh?
2 minutes, sir.
2 minutes.
Sir.
Okay, right. So you can launch this from land, on ship, and from
Sir.
air. From air means what? From fighter jet also you can launch.
Fighter jets.
Okay. So it is guidance. So therefore, fire and forget. Fire and forget means once you fire, you no need to guide this one. It is automatically. It is a guided missile. Okay, right. This BrahMos Aerospace is a joint venture between India's DRDO. What is DRDO? Very, very important premier organization of the. What is DRDO?
Defense Research
Correct.
Development Organization.
What's your name?
Adityan G.
Which standard?
7th standard.
Yes. DRDO. Write down what is the expansion of DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Development Organization. Defense and Research Development Organization. India's premier organization for producing all type of weapons, all army related equipments produced by DRDO. When DRDO was formed in 1958. Please note down 1958. So it is a joint venture between DRDO and Russia's NPO Machino-Stroyina. So the BrahMos Airspace is responsible for the design, development, and production of BrahMos missile. Right? Have we written? Have we noted down these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1958 is very important. The DRDO expansion is very important. Okay, DRDO is an acronym or abbreviation?
Abbreviation, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acronym.
No acronym.
Acronym, sir.
It is not an acronym. It is only an abbreviation. I told you in the other class the difference between abbreviation and acronym. If anyone misses the class, please attend the recording sessions also. Without watching recording classes, don't come to the next class.
Sir, doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what is that NPO thing? Could you please explain it again?
Which one?
Non-profit organization.
What is your doubt?
Sir, what is that NPO thing which you said? I didn't quite understand it.
N?
That
Non-profit
NPO.
organization.
N? Where it is?
Sir, sir here. Which
No.
underline-
This is the name of the company in Russia. Don't worry about it. Okay, just
okay.
memorize the name. NPO, just like a name of the company. Okay, it is a Russian company,
Okay.
Russian organization, just like DRDO, our counterpart of DRDO in Russia. So exports. The first we exported to Philippines. Even we exported recently, a few days back, the second batch of BrahMos missile.
Yeah.
What is this Manila? Manila stands for
Philippines capital, sir.
Manila's Philippines capital. So the deal was signed in 2022. The deal was signed in 2022. So don't talk unnecessarily. Okay, if you have any doubt, if I ask any questions, then you talk. So otherwise, you always mute your mic. Okay, other countries that have shown interest in acquiring the missiles are Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, UAE, SLE, and South Africa. Where is SLE?
South America, sir.
South America. Where is South Africa?
In Africa.
The southernmost.
In Africa continent.
Many capitals for South Africa. Any one of the capitals?
Sir, Pretoria.
Pretoria, Johannesburg. So many are there, like administrative capital, judicial capital, like that. Okay. And what is the expansion of the abbreviation of UAE stands for?
United Arab
Sir,
Emirates.
United Arab Emirates. Sir, United Arab.
United
Arab Emirates.
United Arab Emirates, UAE. Okay. What is the capital of UAE?
Abu
Sir,
Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Correct only. Abu Dhabi.
7 countries.
Huh?
Dubai, Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, many constitutes. United means one. Okay. For example, what is US stands for?
United States.
United States. Sir.
Right.
United
Someone asked in the chat box, what is the expansion of UAE? UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. UAE. United Arab Emirates. UAE stands for. What is US stands for? What is USA stands for?
United
United States of America.
United
States of America.
How many states?
United States
How many
of
states?
America.
How many states in USA?
50, sir.
52, sir. 52.
50 states. Therefore, you can see 50 stars on its
Flag.
their national flag. Their national flag, 50 stars. How many states in India right now?
28.
28
How many
states and
union
8
territories?
union territories in India.
Name any union territory.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Port Blair.
Sir,
Goa, Pondicherry.
Sir, Jammu and Kashmir.
Someone said
Sir,
Port
Dadra
Blair
Nagar
is
Haveli.
Is Port Blair is a union territory? Is Port Blair is a union territory? Port Blair.
Port Blair is the capital.
Okay. So how many states in India right now?
28.
28 states. India consists of 28 plus 8. 8 stands for what? Union territories.
Union territories.
What is nearest union territory? Tamil Nadu. For you.
Pondicherry.
Tamil Nadu nearest union territory is Pondicherry. What is the difference between Indian states and American USA states? Any basic difference?
United Territories.
Excellence of roadways.
American 50 states joined voluntarily, but Indian states are forcefully integrated. If any one of the United States of American states want to liberate from America, immediately they can do. But in India, it is not possible. For example, if Tamil Nadu or Kerala or Punjab wants to secede from India, which is not at all possible. But in America, it is possible. So there, it is voluntary union, but here it is forcefully united. This is a basic difference, right? And many other are there, like constitution-wise also there. It is theirs is one of the smallest constitution in the world, America. Largest constitution in the world is Indians.
India's.
They have dual citizenship, but ours is only single citizenship, like that. Okay. Next is, I told you other day about the National Technology Day. When is National Technology Day?
May 11th. On May 11th, sir.
I told you why May 11th, because in 1998, India conducted Pokhran, Operation Shakti, Pokhran.
Operation Shakti.
Pokhran 2. When Pokhran 1 happened, I told you in the other class.
1996.
No. Year, without referring.
1974, sir. 1974. 1972.
1974, Pokhran 1. Where normally they test nuclear test of India?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, sir. Desert area.
Rajasthan, sir.
Where in Rajasthan?
Pokhran village.
Pokhran, sir.
Thar Desert. Okay. So in 1998, then Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay. Since 1999, we celebrate National Technology Day, May 11th. Already I told you about Science Day. National Science Day when?
August
February 28th, sir.
February 28th. National Science Day. Why?
Sir C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect.
Sir C.V. Raman
Dr.
discovered the
APJ.
Raman effect on February
C.V.
28th,
Raman
sir.
C.V. Raman discovered
Raman effect.
scattering
It is
Raman
called
effect.
scattering of light. Scattering of light. Okay, it is called Raman effect. So the Raman effect discovered by Sir C.V. Raman on February 28, 1928. Please note that February 28,
Technology Day.
1928. But because of this, he got Nobel Prize in 1930. 1930. Who was the first person to receive Nobel Prize for India?
Rabindranath
Rabindranath
Tagore.
Tagore.
Yes,
Rabindranath
1913.
Tagore.
1913, Rabindranath Tagore for literature for his marvelous
Geetanjali.
Gitanjali. Okay,
Our
right.
national anthem was developed from Geetanjali.
Okay, national anthem. National anthem.
Bengali.
Janagana Mama.
Janagana Mani by whom?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Whether my statement is correct or not. Rabindranath Tagore authored the national anthem of India and Pakistan. Correct?
True. Yes, sir.
How many of you
Yes,
say
sir.
correct?
False.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
True. True.
Yes.
No,
No, sir. False.
No.
false. India and Bangladesh, not for Pakistan. India and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a separate country. Pakistan is a separate country. Bangladesh previously known as
East Pakistan.
East
Pakistan.
East Pakistan.
I told you.
East Pakistan.
I told you
Burma.
India liberated East Pakistan from Pakistan in
1971.
1971. I told you in the other class. What is the name for it? What is the name? Operation name.
Sir,
Trident,
Operation Trident.
Operation Trident, sir.
Trident.
Operation Trident. Very good. Operation
Trident.
Trident. So please note that every class you are supposed to memorize. See, we have a time. You have plenty of time. We are taking classes twice a week. So therefore, at least you have a 2 days or 3 days. So therefore,
Sir,
please go through it. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what was this first person to get this Nobel Prize thing, which is said some 1913?
Here, 1913, Rabindranath Tagore
Okay, sir.
for his literature. Gitanjali. Have you heard about Gitanjali?
Yes, sir.
His masterpiece. He got it for literature.
Sir.
Similarly, Sir C.V. Raman got Nobel Prize for
Science.
Raman effect.
not science. In particular,
Raman effect.
which one? Physics.
Physics.
Yeah. What is your doubt? Someone is asking doubt.
Sir,
Ask doubt. See, I always encourage students to ask doubt. Not only here, even in your school also. Please note that always understand and learn. Don't memorize anything, including all subjects. I'm talking about a language subject, a science subject, math subject. Maths, you must understand. You
Sir.
must understand and learn. Okay.
Sir,
Next.
when is Technology Day thing?
Technology Day, May 11.
Yes, sir.
National
Thank you.
Technology Day, May 11. You came late? You came late for the class?
No.
You joined late?
No, sir. I went to take my note.
11th May 1998, Operation Shakti. This is National Technology Day. See, every day, whenever you attend class, bring note. Without note and pen, don't attend class. All information, all useful information. Next, what do you mean by supercomputer?
Hi, this is for those who watch this video classes as a recording session in YouTube. I'll briefly explain about this Junior IAS Foundation course. So this is basically a course on current affairs, GK and reasoning. So reasoning means the basic mathematics and science. Who can join? Anyone studying 6th grade or above till college. This course encourages students to develop critical thinking, stay updated on current affairs, general knowledge. So useful for any future competitive examinations like IIT, JEE, NEET, or CLAT, or NDA, CDS, UPSC, Civil Services examination. This is May-June 2025 classes schedule, including test. The next class on 17th May 2025 class test is there. So anyone can attend one session free live. If you want to attend one live session free, please note down this number. Please save this number 98403-98093 in your mobile, and then WhatsApp JIAS. We send links, updates, and recorded classes through broadcast. Therefore, you must save this number. Otherwise, the messages will not be delivered. Course fee is very nominal, monthly rupees 500 for the period of 10th of every month to the next of 10th. For example, this May 2025 to the 10th of June 2025. After payment to this number 98403-98093, digital payment, either GPay or Paytm, etc. So after payment, please share the screenshot to this number 98403-98093 with students' details, name, the class or standard studying, school or college name, and place. Now the class video.
First, Vishwa,
so-
what is supercomputer?
Sir, supercomputer means that computer can perform powerful calculations, sir, like scientific calculations. But normal computers we had, they could not perform those calculations much faster, sir. They
good,
are
excellent.
struggled to
See,
perform.
The main difference between supercomputer and other computer is speed. The speed is very, very important, especially supercomputers perform calculations at a massive speed. The speed is measured in terms of computer speed is measured in terms of calculation speed, especially flops. Please note down, this is very, very important. Flops.
Floating
Flops
point
means floating point operations per second.
Per second.
Floating point operations per second. Floating point operations per second is flops. Have you heard about flops?
Yes,
Can
sir.
anyone tell me what is floating point? One person.
Sir, I am sir.
Now tell, what is floating point?
Sir, decimal points.
What's your name?
Vishwa.
So floating point is representing a number in terms of like this. See, this is slightly advanced. Even if you don't know, no problem. Okay. For example, this is like that 3.84 E plus 10. So this is one number. This stands,
Complex.
this number is like 3.84 into 10 to the power 10 plus 10. It can be plus 10 or minus 10 or plus 20 or minus 20 like that. E means
It is
what?
used in computer languages, sir.
Computer. Computer knows which two digits.
Binary language. 0 and 1.
Binary language.
Computer.
Sir, binary.
0 and
Binary
1.
language.
Zeros and one.
0 and 1.
0 means
Computer
Power
is
of on,
computer is otherwise known as, what is GIGO? This is another name of computer.
Sir, what?
What is computer?
Input.
Computer is otherwise known as GIGO. I have written.
Garbage in, garbage out, sir.
See, does computer makes mistake? Does computer make mistake? Computer தப்பு பண்ணுமா? Computer calculation தப்பு பண்ணுமா?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
படம் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? படத்துல ரொபாட்டிக், நல்ல ரொபாட்டிக் இருக்கும், கெட்ட ரொபாட்டிக் இருக்கும். சோ அதெல்லாம் கம்ப்யூட்டரே பண்ணக்கூடியதா? இல்ல. See, computer is operated by programs. Okay, if there is an error in the program, then it acts accordingly. So therefore, computer is called GIGO, which stands for garbage in, garbage out. That means நல்லது போட்டீங்கன்னா நல்லது கிடைக்கும், குப்பையை போட்டீங்கன்னா குப்பை கிடைக்கும். Okay? If you put good thing into the computer, the product, the output is good. If you put bad thing into the computer, then you'll get bad output. That is called.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
That is called GIG.
Input and output.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, what's the full form of this?
Which one?
GIGO. Sir, it's
Garbage.
GIGO.
What is garbage?
Sir, garbage means like trash.
Garbage in,
Materials.
garbage out. That is the expansion for this one.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Garbage. One minute. Garbage in and garbage out. Yes. What's your doubt?
Sir, is the supercomputers is operated by AI or?
Yeah, now for AI purpose, they are using supercomputer. For AI purpose, for AI, we need to deal vast amount of data. Vast amount
excuse
of
me, sir.
to deal with vast amount of data, especially to weather forecast. Weather forecast is very, see, please note that whenever I am talking, whenever I am taking classes, don't interrupt. Okay. So to deal with vast amount of data, especially to forecast weather, we need what? Supercomputer. So supercomputer is nothing but, assume that if 10,000, assume that 10,000 laptops are connected parallelly, then it becomes what? One supercomputer. Such as
One supercomputer.
example.
You can use all the power of the computer in one supercomputer.
Yes. Okay. Right. Floating point operations per second. Which is the world's right now? The world's
Most power.
world's fastest supercomputer is L Capital of USA. L Capital of USA. This is the name of the supercomputer right now. On this day, the world's fastest supercomputer is L Capital. What is its speed? 1742 petaflops. What do you mean by peta? Peta stands for. Peta stands for.
Sir, it's like megabytes, petabytes,
Peta
gigabytes,
stands
and
for what?
terabytes.
Peta means what? Peta is 10 to the power what? 10 to the power?
10 to the power 100.
Peta is 10 to the power 15. Peta means 10 to the power 15. Therefore, what does its floating point operations mean? 1742. How many zeros followed by?
15 zeros.
15
zeros.
Avlo speed 15 zeros. One means one operations per second. Normally you do normally we do how many operations per second?
Dual.
Not even one operation per second. For one operation we need what? Some few seconds. For example, 15 into 17. This is one operation. How many seconds you need? How many seconds?
30 seconds minimum, sir.
This is 30 seconds. But this is one operation. Not only one operation. So many operations per second. So therefore you think of its speed. Imagine the speed.
We can't even.
Massive speed. That's supercomputer. Even our calculator also very, very fast. Even our normal calculator, packet calculator, your mobile calculator, phenomenal speed. Okay. India's fastest supercomputer right now is IRAVAT. What is IRAVAT stands for? AI Research. IRAVAT is an abbreviation, or it is an abbreviation also known as?
Acronym.
Yes, I pronounce as a word. IRAVAT. IRAVAT stands for AI. A for AI, R, AI, Research, Analytics, and Knowledge Dissemination Platform. So this is called IRAVAT. They can take W here, they can take some AIT here. Okay. So this is IRAVAT. It is codenamed as IRAVAT. Its speed is 200 petaflops. 200 petaflops. It is developed by a very important premier organization. This organization you are supposed to know. Please write down this organization name. All our supercomputers are manufactured at CDAC. CDAC is located in Pune. What is the expansion of CDAC? Center for Advanced Computing. I'll ask in the next class. Next class you are going to write a test. Therima?
Sir, what doubt, sir?
Test therima na yarume avunu solla. Test என்ன அர்த்தம்? டெஸ்ட்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? டெஸ்ட்னா என்னன்னா ஆப்சென்ட் ஆயிரணும். கரெக்ட்டா?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Right. என்ன doubt? What is your doubt?
Sir, for what purpose these supercomputers are used?
Very good. Excellent. Now that we are going to see as an application. Plenty of applications. Plenty of applications. For example, I said mainly our weather forecasting. நீங்க weather today பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும்ல, weather எப்படி forecast பண்றாங்க? How do they predict cyclones?
From satellites they get information.
Our Metaphys is one of the oldest in the world. One of the oldest. IMD. What is IMD stands for?
Indian Meteorological Department.
Metaphys.
Indian Meteorological Department.
It is called Metaphys. It is located in Delhi. It is formed in 1875. Please note down the year. Not now. 1875. So therefore, large amounts of data. So we have to deal with. We have to analyze massive data. So need a supercomputer. Main supercomputers for weather forecasting. Then for medicine. Then for mineral prospecting. Many applications are there. We'll see applications for this very important. Application. First is,
Sir, doubt.
yes.
Sir, in which place is Ayarwath in top 500 supercomputer, sir?
That's why I said Pune.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Is supercomputers the fifth generation of computers, sir?
Supercomputer?
Is the fifth generation of computers, sir?
Yeah, it's a very good. What is your name? What's your name?
Sir, Tanishka.
Hello. Yeah. It is, see, Ayarwath is located in CDAC, Pune. Okay. Right. Which standard?
Sir, going to fifth.
Okay. Right. Very important questions. She asked about generation. So there are many generations are there. First generation, second generation, third generation. This is all about the evolving and also with respect to the speed of the computer also. So now we are still in fourth generation only. Fifth generation is artificial intelligence. We are at the nascent stage, the starting stage of fifth generation, we can say. But not in a fully. A stands for artificial intelligence. So therefore, these supercomputers, every computers all comes under what? Fourth generation only. Fifth generation is fully artificial intelligence. Maybe you can say that some computers with the tag name of AI comes under fifth generation. Okay. Next. Any doubt? Okay. Next, the application part. The application of supercomputer mainly for in the field of medicines. In the field of medicines and nuclear explosion. Sometimes we'll conduct nuclear explosions virtually. To conduct nuclear explosion virtually, we need to deal with a vast amount of data.
Data and
Then we need supercomputer.
data and
Simulation, sir.
Then climate. This is called simulation. Simulation technique. Simulation another அப்படினா அதே மாதிரி but actually பண்றது கிடையாது. Everything is have you heard about VR? Have you heard about VR? Virtual reality.
Virtual reality, yes, sir.
ஒரு ஐல ஒரு இது மாதிரி போட்டுட்டீங்களா, கிளாஸ் மாதிரி போட்டு பார்க்கலாம், அதுக்கு ஒரு கார் ஓட்டுற மாதிரி, பிளேன் ஓட்டுற மாதிரி, that we can see in VR. Okay. Then climate trends, weather forecasting. Then meteorology, nuclear energy research, military uses supercomputers. Military very important, especially supercomputers, especially using radar, everything. For example, recently we did what?
Operation Sindoor, we have radar.
Attack பேர் என்ன? Precise attack. அதுக்கு என்ன பேரு?
Operation Sindoor.
Operation Sindoor. Okay. So அந்த மாதிரி அட்டாக்ஸ்க்கு வந்து we need to collect அந்த missiles, அதோட பாத் இதெல்லாம் பண்றதுக்குலாம் we need to use what? Supercomputer.
Supercomputer, sir.
அப்புறம் அனிமேஷன்ஸ்க்கு எஸ்பெஷலி ஹாலிவுட் எல்லாம் இப்ப பெரிய ஹாலிவுட் அனிமேஷன் மூவி சொல்லுங்க. ஃபேமஸ் மூவி டைட்டானிக். நாட் டைட்டானிக், அது பேர் என்ன? ஜுராசிக் பார்க் எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா சூப்பர் கம்ப்யூட்டர். வித்தவுட் சூப்பர் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் நவ ரீசன்ட்லி என்ன படம்? ரீசன்ட்லி மீன்ஸ் a few years back. another ஒரு அவதார். Have you heard about Avatar?
Yes, sir.
அவதார் எத்தனை பார்ட் வந்துச்சு? How many parts?
Two parts, sir.
அவதார்லாம் ஃபுல்லி என்னது? கிராபிக்ஸ். அதுக்கெல்லாம் சூப்பர் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ். இல்லைன்னா அந்த சூப்பர் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் வித்தவுட் சூப்பர் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் வந்து எஃபெக்ட் வந்து நாட் அந்த அளவுக்கு குவாலிட்டி இருக்கு. வெரி. அப்புறம் கேம்ஸ் நான் சொல்றது அப்புறம் ஜிபிஎஸ்க்கு. இப்போ நீங்க கூகுள் மேப்புக்கெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், கூகுள் மேப் ஈவன் அதெல்லாம் லார்ஜ் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் டேட்டா டீல் பண்ண வேண்டி வரும். இம்மீடியட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் ஆல் என்னது? லைவ் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ், ஆன்லைன் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ். அதுக்கெல்லாம் we need what this one. For flooding, even plan city planக்கு எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டிய வரும். Transportation.
Also they need to save the data of coordinates of each place.
எல்லாத்துக்குங்க ஒரு டயப்பர், டிடர்ஜென்ட், ஈவன் பொட்டேட்டோ சிப் வந்து டிசைன் பண்றது கூட we need super computer sometimes. Okay. Right. Any questions so far?
Sir,
No, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
the defense mechanism S500. Is it AI or supercomputer? Sir?
Yeah. Yes, it is controlled by S400. S400 is with the help of which country? Supported by?
Russia,
sir.
Russia.
Huh?
Russia,
sir.
What is S400 stands for? What is S400?
Sir, Sukhoi 400.
What is otherwise? S400 is known as in Indian Sudarshan Chakra.
Sudarshana Chakra.
Sudarshana Chakra. What is Sudarshana Chakra?
Lord Vishnu has.
It's Lord Vishnu has in his
Weapon
right
of Lord
hand.
Vishnu.
எங்க பாருக்கு Sudarshana Chakra? It is mythological.
Weapon of Lord Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu's mythological weapon.
This is
Doubt,
science and
sir.
technology, science and tech in paper 4, paper 3.
Your question is
Okay.
correct. This they can ask in science and technology paper. The mainly they'll ask the applications of supercomputer, the applications of remote sensing, etc.
Sir, what is the full form of GPS?
GPS is Global Positioning System.
Global position.
Global positioning system.
Global Positioning
Thanks, sir.
System. GPS stands for. What is India's answer to GPS?
IRNSS.
Yarpa, what is your name?
Adityan.
Very good. IRNSS. IRNSS எல்லாம் நீங்க சொல்றீங்களே, very excellent. Okay. அதுக்கு என்ன name? What is the name? GPS for America. India's answer to GPS is
Navik.
excellent. Navik. யாரோ பக்கத்துல சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்களா?
Sir, yes, sir.
அதான் சரியா, நீங்களா சொல்லணும், இல்லைன்னா விட்டுருங்க. இல்லைன்னா விட்டுருங்க. ரைட். ஏன்னா மத்தவங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணுவாங்க, என்னடா அது நமக்கு தெரியவே இல்லையே இவங்க ஆன்சர் பண்றாங்களே அப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியும். அங்க பின்னாடி பேக்கப் பை யுவர் மதர் ஆர் ஃபாதர்.
சார் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கிறேன் சார். சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கிறேன் சார், சொல்லாதீங்கம்மான்ட்டு.
யார், அம்மாவா?
எஸ் சார்.
அம்மா
மெயின்ஸ் படிக்கிறாங்க சார். மெயின்ஸ் படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க சார்.
அவங்கதான் பேசக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிடு, சரியா? அம்மா சொன்னா நீ கேட்காத, சரியா?
எஸ் சார்.
அம்மா சொன்னா கேட்காதன்னா இங்க சொல்லும் போது கேட்காத, அம்மா சொல்றதெல்லாம் கேட்கணும். இங்க சொல்லும் போது சொல்லுமா, சரியா? மத்தபடி சொல்ல வேணாம், ஏன்னா மத்தவங்களுக்கு அது இதா இருக்கும், சரியா? நமக்கு தெரியலையே அப்படின்னு.
சாரி சார், சாரி சார்.
ரைட். ஏன்னா IRNSS எல்லாம் நினைச்சேன், அப்ப IRNSS எல்லாம் எப்படி நீங்க சொல்ல முடியும், சொல்றதுக்கு சான்ஸே இல்லையே நினைச்சேன். ஓகே, ரைட். Any other question?
No, sir.
I told you in the other class. Now we'll see numbers. Okay. I told you in the other class about Ramanujan number. I asked this question. What is Ramanujan number? And before that, I conducted some 3 or 4. This one, என்னோட name. So my name is Rajaboopathy, founder and mentor RADIAN IAS Academy. I did my post graduation in mathematics. That means +1 +2 you say that first group, then BSc mathematics, then MSc mathematics, Master of Mathematics, and I received a medal from Yaru.
Abdul Kalam.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he was a DRDO chief. 1990 la vandu pathina he was the chief of DRDO. இப்போதான் பார்த்தோம் DRDO. What is DRDO?
Development Organization.
Defense Research Development Organization. Our chief. I studied at St. Joseph's College, Trichy. This is one of the oldest college in the India. Recently, 165 years celebration was over. 165 years. College ஆரம்பிச்சு. Taking classes for all examination, all competitive examination. I started with IIT, JEE, and civil service examination, and TNPSC, banking, almost all competitive examinations. Though I studied mathematics, I learned history. So I know history, Constitution of India, almost all general knowledge subjects. This is Ramanujan number. What is Ramanujan number? What is Ramanujan number? This number is Ramanujan. Have you heard about the Ramanujan number? The story behind Ramanujan number? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
The story behind Ramanujan number.
No, sir. I don't know.
யாருக்காவது தெரியும்? யாராவது சொல்லுங்க பாருங்க. The story behind Ramanujan number. Okay. Have you heard about Ramanujan? Who is Ramanujan?
Great mathematician from India.
Sir, he discovered
From which state?
the number 5, sir.
The great stalwart in mathematics. Which state?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
sir.
Tamil Nadu, Kumbakonam. Okay, right. Once he was hospitalized. His friend Hardy is also a well-known mathematician of United Kingdom. He only brought Ramanujan from Madras port, that is from Chennai to England. In bed, Hardy visited Ramanujan, and Hardy was very sad. Then Ramanujan asked why he was looking sad. gloomy. Then Hardy said, I came by a taxi. The taxi number was 1729. Please note that Ramanujan and Hardy are very, very famous mathematician. They work on numbers theory. And suddenly, even in bed, Ramanujan suddenly 29 is a fantastic number. That means what? He knows the property of each and every number. Therefore, there is a biography on Ramanujan. Once they asked in UPSC-IAS exam, preliminary examination, once they asked, so the biography of Ramanujan, the name of the book is The Man Who Knew Infinity. What does it mean? நமக்கு எவ்வளவு தெரியும்? நமக்கு 37 ஸ்கொயரே தெரியாது. சரிங்களா? அது முக்கியம் இல்ல. But he knows the property of each and every number. This is called number theory. So therefore, man who knew infinity. This is the book. This is the biography. What is the difference between biography and autobiography?
Sir, biography means biography means biography means
Anyone?
Sir, shall I?
Yes.
Sir, biography means the life history of the leaders or the achievers. Sir, the autobiography means the achievements of themselves, what they achieved.
Sir, the autobiography is written by the person himself, sir. But the biography is written by a different person, sir.
Correct. அவரே எழுதினார்னா அவரை பத்தி எழுதினார்னா it is called autobiography, written by himself. Some others எழுதுனாங்க அப்படின்னா it is called biography. தமிழ்ல it is called சுயசரிதை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So therefore it is autobiography and biography. So the man who knew infinity அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து this is a book written by Robert Ganigal. Note down this. இவர்தான் author. About whom? He authored about whom?
Ramanujan.
Clear about this number. Right. So what is the property on 1729? So this is the smallest such number represented by sum of the cubes of two positive numbers, only two different ways. You cannot write this number in as a cube plus b cube in any other different ways other than these two. So it is 1 cube plus 12 cube. What is 12 cube?
1728, sir.
1728. So therefore 1728 plus 1 or 9 cube. What is 9 cube?
729, sir.
729. 10 cube is 1000. So therefore this. Okay. So this is 1729. You are supposed to know, memorize. Okay. Next.
Sir, excuse me. Sir, what is the author's name?
Solunga, what is?
Sir, what is that author's name? I didn't quite understand his last name.
Robert Ganigal. ROBERTKANIGEL. Robert Ganigal, the author. Next is perfect number. What is perfect number? Perfect number.
Sir, when we add the products of the numbers.
Yes.
Sir,
perfect number is, assume that, for example, I'll explain. Assume that some number is n. When n is perfect, find the all factors of n. All factors are otherwise known as divisors. Because 1 is always a factor of any numbers. And also, what is the other factors?
N, sir.
N. So if we add all the numbers, if we get 2n, twice the original number, then this is a perfect number. For example, you take the number 4. What is factors of 4? 1,
2, and 4.
1, 2, and 4. What is, if you add what? You get 7. So therefore 4 is not perfect. If you take number 6, what are the factors of 6? Or what are the divisors of
3 and 6.
1, 2, 3,
6. If you add, you'll get what? 12. Therefore, twice the number. Or I can say the sum of the factors of any number other than itself is equal to the same number. Frida.
Yes, sir.
Sum of factors of 6 other than 6 itself is equal to what? 6. So therefore, This is called perfect number. Perfect numbers are very, 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 very less. Very, very difficult. Even we use computers to find the perfect number. Perfect numbers are very, very less. So far, we have found a few perfect numbers only. Some of the perfect numbers are, note down the perfect numbers. These are the some of the perfect numbers. 6, 28, 496, 8128. These are some of the perfect numbers. Please, everyone check whether 28 is a perfect number or not. Check by yourself.
2, 3,
Yes, sir. It is perfect, sir.
இன்னைக்கு நீங்க நோட்ஸ் எடுத்தீங்க.
Yes, sir.
இன்னைக்கு நோட்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கீங்கல்ல?
Yes, sir.
இந்த நோட்ஸ் எல்லாமே 98403 98093 வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு நீங்க அனுப்பணும். இன்னைக்கு எடுத்த நோட்ஸ் உங்களோட நேமோட. ஓகே, புரியுதா? ஐ அம் கோயிங் டு செக் வெதர் நீங்க கரெக்டா எழுதுறீங்களா, நோட்ஸ் ஒழுங்கா எடுக்கிறீங்களா. நான் எப்படி செக்? சோ எத்தனை பேஜஸா இருந்தாலும் சரி, டுடேஸ் நோட்ஸ், டுடேஸ் கிளாஸ் நோட்ஸ் வாட்ஸ்அப் to 98403 98093 numbers, everyone, right? So these are the perfect numbers. Next, I told you, with this we'll finish this today's class, Fibonacci sequence. Sonalla, they're talking about Fibonacci sequence. What is Fibonacci sequence? The first two numbers are, my handwriting is not neat now, no problem. Even if your handwriting is very, 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 very poor also, you send. சில பேர் உங்களுக்கு புரியுற மாதிரி எழுதிருப்பீங்க, கரெக்டா?
Yes, sir.
அப்படிலாம் எழுதக்கூடாது, சரியா? ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் ஷுட் பி நீட். அப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா, சும்மா ஏதோ நான் சொல்றேங்கிறதுக்காக கடமைக்கு எழுதுறீங்க. Don't do like even if your handwriting also poor also, no problem. My daughter handwriting also very, very poor.
Yes, sir.
My daughter, she is now doing MBBS in Madurai Medical College as a day scholar. டாக்டர்ஸ் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் எப்படி இருக்கும், அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ கேன் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங். ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் இஸ் வெரி, வெரி, வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எவ்வளவு தெரியும்? ஓகே, ஒன்லி எவாலுவேட்டர்ஸ் வந்து they'll see. ஸோ உங்களோட கம்யூனிகேஷன்ல வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங். இஃப் யுவர் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் இஸ் குட், they'll put what, அட்லீஸ்ட் the relevant mark, if not the extra mark. But if your hand writing is very poor, na, how can they understand? That also will check. Okay, நீங்க இன்னைக்கு அனுப்புங்க எல்லாருமே, சரிங்களா? Even if your handwriting is ultra poor, நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன். Okay, right. What is Fibonacci sequence? The first two numbers are 0, 1. What's the next number? Can anyone tell me what's the next number after 30?
21, sir.
The Fibonacci sequence is 0 and 1. Then add these two numbers, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So every number other than these two numbers, is sum of the two preceding numbers. So 8 is why 8? 3 plus 5.
Because 5 plus 3.
3 plus 5. So therefore, this is called Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is finite or infinite?
Infinite.
It goes on. So other interesting numbers are there that you will see in the next class, like triangular numbers and Pascal triangle and tetrahedral numbers and many other numbers are there. Everywhere. Math is fun. Math is not only fun. So what is the language of universe?
Math.
Sir, math.
Universe
Numbers.
Numbers. Everything is based on mathematics and physics. That's all. The entire universe is maths and physics. Physics is without maths, physics is nothing. Physics means fully what? Maths only. Jason, don't say you are weak in maths. You are also good in maths. Please note.
Sir, really weak only.
Maths is,
Sir, really weak only in math.
no problem, we can improve. Don't say I am weak. If you say, இவர் என்ன சொல்லிருக்காரு, what Vivekananda said.
Our thought will become the
reality.
things.
If you say I am weak in maths, na என்ன நடக்கும் சொல்லுங்க? What's the resultant?
The result will be the same. You will be weak in math.
Weakest. See, if you think, you realize, yeah, I am weak in maths. So how to improve maths?
Put some
Learn.
analyze.
Learn.
Put more effort.
Sir, put effort.
Do some what? Practice. Similarly, how do you learn general knowledge? How do you learn
Analyze.
how do you learn general knowledge, social science, English or Tamil? How do you learn?
Analyze.
Revision. So for the memory-based subjects, you need revision. For maths and other understandable subjects like maths and science, you keep on what? Practice. For maths, practice. This is very important. Maths is the easiest language. Maths is the easiest subject. Universal language. The language of the universe is mathematics. So don't afraid of mathematics. Math is very interesting. இப்போ நீங்க மேத்ஸ்ல ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் எடுத்து சால்வ் பண்ணி அதுக்கு கரெக்டா ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? யூ ஃபீல் ஹாப்பியர் ஆர் நாட்?
Very happy, sir. Very confident, sir.
வெரி ஹாப்பியர் இல்ல உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சால்வ் பண்றீங்க, அதுக்கு புக் ஆன்சர் செக் பண்ணி பாக்குறீங்க, புக் பேக் ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட், ஐயோ எவ்வளவு ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். இட்ஸ் நாட் இன் அதர் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் அப்படிலாம் இருக்காது. ஸோ மேத்ஸ், என்ஜாய் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ். மேத்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப த மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சப்ஜெக்ட் இஸ் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ். வெதர் the parents are literate or illiterate, அவங்க நீங்க போனீங்கன்னா என்ன எதோட மார்க் கேட்பாங்க? எல்லாருமே எந்த மார்க் கேட்பாங்க? அவங்க சயின்ஸ் இங்கிலீஷ் மார்க் கேட்பாங்களா, சயின்ஸ் மார்க் கேட்பாங்களா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் they will ask எந்த மார்க் கேட்பாங்க?
Maths.
why everyone is asking maths mark? சொல்லுங்க.
Because maths is the most important subject.
If you are good in maths, then you are good in other subjects. If you are good in maths, other subjects are nothing. You learn other subjects easily at ease. சரிங்களா? அதனால even if you are right now weak in maths, கண்டிப்பா அதை வந்து ரியலைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. We'll do for special, especially those who are weak in maths, we'll do some special sessions also for those who are weak in maths. Okay, subject wise also we'll do later. Okay, so அதனால maths very important. அதனால அதுக்கு ஒரு அவர்ஷன் வரக்கூடாது. மேத்ஸ் மேல ஒரு அவர்ஷன் வந்து டோன்ட் டெவலப் எனி அவர்ஷன் டுவர்ட்ஸ் மேத்ஸ். மேத்ஸ் இஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் அண்ட் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். மேத்ஸ் இல்லாத இடமே கிடையாது. மெடிசன் ஆல்சோ மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ். இப்ப ரீசெண்டா நடந்த நீட் எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ல பிசிக்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப குரூஷியல். பிசிக்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே என்னதுன்னா மேத்ஸ். ஹையர் ஸ்டடீஸ் ஈவன் இன் மெடிக்கல் சயின்ஸ் ஆல்சோ மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ். ஓகே, ரைட். எனி அதர் ஜெனரல் query, ஜெனரல் டவுட்? சொல்லுங்க.
How is Fibonacci sequence different from Virahanka method, sir? Yes, sir. Virahanka sequence, sir.
Virahanka sequence is otherwise known as Fibonacci sequence, but normally Virahanka sequence starts with what? 1. That's all.
Yes, sir.
It is an Indian version of what? Indian version of Fibonacci sequence. Virahanka is also known as Fibonacci sequence, but starts with what?
1.
Starts with, this is Virahanka sequence. 1, 2, 3.
3.
What is 1 plus 2?
3.
3. What is 3 plus 2?
5.
What is 3 plus 5? 8.
8.
And so on. This is called Virahanka sequence.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubt? Pringla, we'll see in the next class. When is next class?
Saturday, sir.
Saturday, 17.
சொல்லுங்க, கிளாஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு?
Very nice.
Sir, very nice, sir.
Yes, very good and very nice, sir.
Sir, very nice, sir.
யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கா?
Really informative.
Yes, sir. 10 out of 5, sir.
சரி, நிறைய கத்துக்கிறீங்களா? நிறைய லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களா புதுசா?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
சங்கமுத்ரா சே ஜாலி அப்படின்ட்டு. ஓகே, 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எல்லாத்துக்கும். ஓகே, இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். ஓகே, ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, இதெல்லாம் வந்து நீங்க ஈவன் ஆஃப்டர் ஸ்கூல் உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸஸ் கமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆனா கூட நீங்க 2 days வீக்லி ட்வைஸ் வந்து நீங்க லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். In fact, it helps your studies also. Younger brother, what is your younger brother is doing? Which standard?
4th standard, sir. 3rd. Hi, sir.
Hi, what's your name?
Rishi ji, sir.
Which standard?
4th standard, sir.
Did you watch this class?
No, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. I was listening, sir. I made.
He says yes, you are saying no.
Sir is lying, sir. I did, sir. I made some notes.
What do you learn from today's class? Tell me anything, anyone.
BrahMos missile, sir. Missile, sir.
Very good. BrahMos missile.
300 crores deal, sir.
Very good. 300 crores deal. Okay. BrahMos missiles, which country? Which 2 countries?
India and Russia, sir.
India and Russia. Okay. What is supercomputer?
Supercomputer. is faster in calculation is 10,000 normal computers, sir.
Super. Okay.